Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your worlds. Copy the saves or exported backups now so nothing is lost. Once done, sign into the same account used for the beta and open the Minecraft launcher. Make sure the game is closed before you change settings. This prevents corruption. Then move immediately to the Installations tab. Do not wait, so you can change which build launches. This first action sequence ensures you can revert if anything goes wrong after leaving the beta. You now change the active build. For Java, pick the latest release profile and uncheck snapshots before launching, because snapshots are beta builds. For Bedrock on Windows or Android, open the Microsoft Store or Xbox Insider Hub and explicitly opt out of the beta or preview channel. Make sure to confirm. On consoles, use the Xbox Insider app to leave Minecraft preview. After switching, allow the launcher or store to download the stable files so your client matches public release versions. You finish by launching the stable release and opening one backed up world to verify everything loads correctly. This confirms you fully left the beta. If the game asks to convert or update a world, do not confirm until you have your backup, because conversions can be irreversible. If you still see beta behavior, clear the launcher/store cache or reinstall the game and then update to the release build. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, restore your backup and repeat the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.